Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So I will explain about method of undetermined coefficient for the case 1. So case 1 means that your fx is equal to polynomial function. So what we mean by the polynomial function? Polynomial means that you have any function in terms of x with any power or any constant. So this is the example for your fx in terms of polynomial function. Let's say your fx is equal to 5. So how you have to write your solution for the yp? So in order to write the solution for the yp, we need to change any constant that we have in terms of another constant which is c, d or e. Okay, so for first one, fx is equal to 5. So we will change the constant will become c. So this yp will become c. For the second one, your fx is equal to 6x minus 9. So in order to write your yp, at the first thing you have to know that you have to change the constant will become another constant which is c, d or e. And second thing is you have to refer to the what is the highest power of x here. So you have x power 1. So your yp will become cx the power of 1 plus d. Okay. Why example 1 here? We don't put cx because there is no x beside the 5. Okay. But for the example 2 here, your fx is equal to 6x minus 9. So the highest power of x is 1. So that's why your yp will become cx plus d. Okay. There are few questions. Why negative 9 here is not become negative here? So there is no problem if you want to write your yp is equal to cx minus d. To make you easy to understand how to write your yp, so I just standardize that in order to write the yp. So you have to remember the constant is always positive. But if you want to write your yp in terms of negative or positive, or there is no problem. So means that this yp is also correct, no problem. Okay, example 3, fx is equal to 2x squared plus 1. So how you have to write your yp? Refer to the highest power of x that we have here is power of 2. So yp will become cx power 2, and then we reduce the power plus dx power 1 plus e. Okay. So now you can see the difference between example 2 and example 3. Example 2, the highest power of x is power 1. So we start here cx power 1 plus d, whereby beside d is x power 0. There is no more of x. For example 3, the highest power of x is power 2. So we start here cx power 2 dx power 1 plus ex power 0. So we start with the highest power of x and then we reduce until there is no more of x. Okay, example 3, you have 4x power of 3. So yp will become cx. What is the highest power that we have here? Power of 3. So will become cx power 3 plus reduce the power of x, dx power 2 plus ex plus f. Okay, so it's not mean that if your fx is only one term, which is 4x power 3, your yp is also one term. No. Okay, so you have to refer to the highest power of x and then you have to reduce until there is no more of x. Okay, I give another example 5 here. So let's say your fx is equal to negative 3 x the power of 3 minus 2x. So therefore our yp will become refer to the highest power of x that we have here. Okay, you don't have to write for both x. You just refer to the highest power of x. So this one, the highest power of x is power of 3. So yp will become cx power 3. So even this one, in terms of negative sign, our constant is always positive. Cx power 3 plus dx power 2 plus ex plus f. Okay, so this is our yp. It's not mean you have to write separately for the yp negative 3x power 3 and then yp for the negative 2x. It's only one yp if your fx in terms of polynomial. Okay, you just refer to the highest power of x and then we start with the highest power of x for the yp. Okay, now let us try to solve this question. Solve the given differential equation by using method of undetermined coefficient. So refer to your right hand side. So you have 3x squared plus 5x. So this one is from case 1. So why case 1? Because fx in terms of polynomial function. Okay, so first step, you have to know that solution of non-homo is y equal to yh plus yp. So we start our solution by solve for the yh, means that you have to solve the left hand side. So terms on your left hand side is 2y double prime plus 4y prime equal to 0. So we change the original in terms of polynomial function. So now you make it equal to 0 because we want to solve for the homogeneous equation. So 2y double prime you have to write in terms of characteristic equation. Substitute y double prime become m square. So this one will become 2m square plus 4m equal to 0. Okay, so by using calculator, find the value of m. So the calculator will give you the value of m equal to 0 and m is equal to negative 2. So based on the value of m, so this is different roots. So how to write your solution based on the different roots? YH is equal to a exponent 0 plus b exponent negative 2x. So always remember to simplify. Exponent 0 is equal to 1. So this exponent 0 equal to 1. So YH is equal to a plus b exponent negative 2x. Okay, so this is the solution for our homogeneous equation. So now proceed for the step number 2. Solve yp based on our fx. So based on our fx on the right hand side, fx is equal to 3x squared plus 5x. So how to write your yp based on this fx? Okay, so refer to your highest power of x here. You have x the power of 2. So therefore, yp will become, we change the constant 3, become another constant which is cx the power of 2 plus with, so we start with the highest power of 2 and then we reduce the power of x plus dx power 1 plus e. Okay, so start with the highest power which is power of 2 from the original fx and then reduce the power of x become power 1 and then x power 0. From this yp, compare our yp with yh. So we need to compare so that there is no equal term between YH and YP. Okay, so this is our YH, this is our YP. You need to compare so that there is no equal term. Okay, A compare with the CX square. So there is no equal term because A is not equal to the CX square. A compare with the DX, also no equal term. A compare with E. So this one we consider as equal term because constant A equal to the constant of E. So means that term in YH is equal to the term in YP. So what term that equal? A and E. So means that when you have term YH equal to the term in YP, you cannot proceed for the next step. So means that our YP is not suitable. So you need to multiply YP with x to the power of 1. Okay, so therefore new YP, which is YP is equal to multiply x with our previous YP. So you need to multiply x with our previous YP here. So x multiply CX square plus DX plus E. So means that new YP will become CX power 3 Y power 3 because x multiply with x square. X multiply with dx will become dx power of 2. X multiply with E will become exponent of x. Okay, so now we need to compare again with YH. So compare again our YP with our YH. So this is our previous YH and this is our new YP. So if you can see, there is no more equal term because this is a constant A, but your YP here, everything multiply with X. So means that there is no equal term. So why we don't compare with the B exponent? Because this one obviously you have exponential term. This one is the polynomial term. And so if you compare, for sure there is no equal term. So therefore, now term in YH is not equal to the term in YP. So our new YP is now suitable for next step. So if our new YP is suitable for the next step, so usually we will put the star. Step number 3, from YP star, find YP prime and YP double prime. Okay, so you need to differentiate from the YP star. Okay, so this is our YP star. So how to differentiate the polynomial function? You don't have to apply any technique because this is a direct integration. So YP prime is equal to differentiate CX the power of 3, bring the power to the front, 3 CX power of 2. We reduce the power of 3, which is 3 minus 1 will become 2. So differentiate dx power of 2, bring 2 to the front, plus 2 dx power of 1. Exponent x, differentiate ex will become e. So plus with e. YP double prime, differentiate 3cx square, differentiate 3cx square will become 6cx power of 1. differentiate 2dx will become 2d. Differentiate e, which is differentiate constant, will become 0. So from our yp, yp prime and yp double prime, we need to substitute back into original question. So why we need to substitute back into the original question? Because we want to find the value for the constant c, d and e. So step number 4, substitute back yp, yp prime and yp double prime. So remember, this is the yp star into original question. So from this original question, so you have to substitute back your yp star, yp prime and yp double prime. So 2y double prime, you have to substitute yp double prime. So means that 2 will be multiplied with 6cx plus 2d. 2 multiply 6cx plus 2d plus 4y prime. So this y prime, you have to substitute yp prime. 4 multiply 3cx square plus 2dx plus e is equal to 3x square plus 5x. So now you have to simplify the left hand side. You need to simplify the left hand side first before we compare the coefficient. So 2 multiply inside will become 12cx plus 2 multiply with 2d will become 4d plus 4 multiply 3cx square 12cx square plus 4 multiply 2d 8dx plus 4e equal to 3x square plus 5x. Okay, now compare the coefficient. So compare the highest power that you have on your left hand side. So the highest power that we have on the left hand side is power of 2. So we have x the power of 2, x the power of 1, x the power of 0. So x the power of 2 from the left hand side. So we have 12cx square. So we only write 12c. Okay, so there is no more x the power of 2. So 12c is equal to x power 2 on your right hand side, which is equal to 3. So therefore c is equal to 1 over 4. So x the power of 1 from the left hand side, you have 12cx. So we write 12c, you have 8dx plus 8d is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5. So we already know the value of c equal to 1 over 4. So we can substitute value c into the position of c. So therefore 12 multiply 1 over 4 plus 8d is equal to 5. So therefore d is equal to 1 over 4. X the power of 0. So from the left hand side we have 4d plus 4e. 4d plus 4e is equal to, there is no number on your right hand side, so which is equal to 0. So we already know the value of D equal to 1 over 4. So 4 multiply 1 over 4 plus 4E equal to 0. So E is equal to negative 1 over 4. Okay, so now every value of the constant that we have here, you have to substitute back into yp star. Refer back to our yp star, cx power 3 plus dx power 2 plus ex. Okay, so you have to substitute. Cx power 3 will become 1 over 4x to the power of 3 plus dx power of 2 will become 1 over 4 x to the power of 2 minus 1 over 4 x. Okay, so this is the solution for the yp. So now the last step, write the general solution for non-homogeneous equation, which is y equal to yh plus yp. So you have to combine back what is your yh and what is your yp. So y is equal to a plus b exponent negative 2x plus, substitute back your yp here, 1 over 4x to the power of 3, 1 over 4x to the power of 2 minus 1 over 4x. Okay, so this is the general solution for the homogeneous equation when we solve by using undetermined coefficient. Okay, so if you are given the initial condition, means that you have to proceed to find what is the value for A and what is the value for B. Okay guys, thank you.